Evaluate the opposite of y minus 8x when x equals -4 and y equals 5. We're given the expression, the opposite of y minus 8x, which I'm going to write below, the opposite of y minus 8x. And when we are asked to evaluate an expression given certain numbers for the variable, we're being asked to substitute those numbers in for the variables and then to use order of operations to evaluate the expression, basically to do the math problem that we're given. So let's start by plugging in the unknown quantities. We've got a y here, and we know that y is 5, so that's going to be 5. So we have -5, and then minus 8x. Now we know 8x means 8 times x, so this 8 needs to get multiplied by x. Since x is -4, we can write -4 in parentheses. And when we have a number next to a set of parentheses, that denotes multiplication. So there's a nice rule that we used without really saying it. If we're going to substitute in a negative number for a variable, and this is also generally true with fractions, we want to put that number or that fraction inside parentheses so that the order of operations is expressed correctly. Now, once we've substituted in the numbers for the variables, we can use order of operations to evaluate the expression. Here we have to do the multiplication before we do the subtraction. And we know that a negative times a negative will become a positive, so once we multiply these, it becomes -5 and then plus, and 8 times 4, or -8 times -4 is 32, so this becomes -5 plus 32, and then we can take the sum of that. -5 plus 32 is 27, so the value of this expression when x equals -4 and y equals 5 is 27, and that is our final answer.